Hello educators, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari, where we keep you updated with all the latest happening in the education world. And today we have some exciting news for all the teachers out there. A 2-day online training program for teachers of a school affiliated to CBSE is being organized by CBSE and NCERT for a smooth transition of teachers and students from old to new textbook in classes 3 and 6, which are recently released. Detail of training program. Date of training is 15th and 16th April 2024. Mode of training is online. Target group teachers of grade 3. Experts from CBSE and NCERT will be taking the session. YouTube link for day 1 and day 2 is given in the description of this video. You can access from the description. Session detail. On Monday 15th April 2024, 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. it will be inauguration session. Then 2:30 to 4 p.m. it will be on language Hindi, English and Urdu. Then 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. it will be on world around us and mathematics. On 16th April 2024, Tuesday, 2 to 3:30 p.m. it will be on art education and physical education. 3:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. it will be on bridge program and discussion. All principal head of a school affiliated to CBSE are requested to disseminate the information among their teachers regarding this training program and encourage their participation in training program. So, what are you waiting for? Mark your calendar, spread the word to your teacher's friend and get ready for 2 days of learning, growth and inspiration. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting update. Until next time, keep learning and keep shining. Bye for now.